Hi, my cooking friends. So today it's Miracle Dish Monday, and today we are going to make homemade macaroni and cheese in the microwave in 15 minutes. No more box cheese, do it your own way, all right? So here's how it works. You're going to use 8 ounces of pasta. I did the baby shells because I think my grandson will really like them. You just put 1 cup of water over it because we're not cooking these noodles ahead of time. That's the beauty of this. You're going to cook all of it together in the microwave. You're then going to add 1 cup of milk, and then this is your decision if you want to add whole milk or 2%, 1%, whatever. You're going to add 1 can, this is a 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. Now it's important that you use evaporated milk and not sweetened milk, okay? You're just going to stir this up a little bit. So the beauty of this is it's going to be all together and you don't have to cook the noodles ahead of time. 1 pan. Then you're going to go ahead and add, this is 2 ounces of cream cheese, just diced. This is a 1/4 cup of butter, again, just diced. It doesn't all have to be melted. Then we have 1 cup of cheddar cheese and 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. And then some spices. So this is a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. It is a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground mustard. And then you're just going to mix it up a little bit. And obviously, if you have a bigger family, you can double this recipe. You're just going to mix it up, make sure that everything is all together. You're going to put the lid on it. This is our miracle dish. And it's going to go in the microwave in 4 15 minutes. So let me show you. In the microwave, lid on, 1500. And when we come back, you're going to have homemade macaroni and cheese that you're not going to believe was microwave. 15 minutes, join me. All right, are you ready? You hungry? So you do want to pull this out of the microwave and just let it sit for a few minutes because then that kind of thickens up the sauce a little bit. So you'll see it's nice, and this is going to be hot when I pull this out. But by letting it just sit for a little bit, you can see that it just, it thickens up, all right? So here it is. I still think you can see that steam. And of course, you can add anything that you want. You can add chicken to it, hot dogs to it, or whatever. But I use the little shells, and it's really good. It's really hot. But you don't have to buy those boxes anymore. You can just do this. Oh, it's still really hot. All right, Miracle Dish Monday. Hey, today's a twofer. Join me tonight because I'm going to make Miracle Dish monkey bread. Have you ever had monkey bread? It's the best.